How to fix Netflix error code E100. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot and fix the Netflix error code E100 on iOS or Android devices. This error typically relates to issues with data, app configuration, or connectivity, and the video walks through several practical steps to resolve it. So first of all, you're going to head over to settings. Once you do so, head over to general. And here, you're going to click on iPhone storage. Once you're here, you can simply search for Netflix. If you're not able to find it, simply go up, click on search bar and type in Netflix. Here's Netflix, click on it, and all you need to do is simply click on offload app. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available for download. Simply click on offload app and then reinstall the application, log into your Netflix account, and you're good to go. However, if that does not solve your problem, then you can try connecting to a strong Wi-Fi network. Sometimes the problem is connectivity related, so you can simply switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or if you're using mobile data already, then switch to any faster mobile data. And that will resolve your issue. If it's still there, then sometimes it's because Netflix is open in many devices or many tabs. Simply log out from PC and simply log in using your phone and the error would be resolved. If you're watching it on PC, then simply log out from your phone and that will resolve the issue. So that is basically how you can fix Netflix error code E100. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.